Hello you guys, Cece here and welcome back to my channel. I am starting this video out cooking dinner. I am chopping up my chicken breast because today I'm going to be cooking some teriyaki chicken. I usually make this recipe with drumsticks with the bone in, but I didn't have that. This is what I had on hand. So this is actually my first time attempting this with chicken breast, but it turned out great. So as you can see on the screen, I am just removing the fat off my chicken breast for no other reason than it just bothers me to look at it, and that is all. But I will get off of here and let you guys enjoy the video, and I will talk to you guys a little later. We are on to some of the ingredients that go in the chicken breast, and I guess I'll just talk you guys through it. Even though it is on the screen, I will be adding red onions. I have usually done this with yellow onions, but it turned out great, so I don't think it really matters. It'll be your preference if you want to try this recipe. And I'm going to be putting some bell peppers in. I've done it with just green peppers. I didn't have any of those on hand, so as you can see, I'm using yellow and red. Again, it turned out just as delicious when I used the other one, so again, it is your preference if you're interested in trying this recipe. We are starting the cleaning portion of this video, and I like to start it here lately with opening up my windows because we are going into autumn and it feels so nice outside. So I've been really enjoying the fresh air that I've been able to get since the temperature is nice. So that is how I start my videos. And today I'm going to be hand washing my dishes, which I don't do very often, but I find that it is very relaxing for me sometimes. Please comment down below if hand washing dishes relaxes you as well. But I find that it's relaxing. I usually go to the dishwasher because I usually let the house get a lot worse than what it is today, and it's so many dishes and it's quicker and convenient. As a mom, you all would probably understand that getting things done quickly is very important, and effectively in the dishwasher absolutely makes that possible. I'm on to hand drying the dishes. This is my first round of dishes you're going to see in this video because I am cleaning up as I'm cooking. We have not eaten dinner yet, so this is me cleaning up my mess. Comment down below if you guys work like that. It is so hard for me to cook in a messy kitchen, and so when I am cooking, I like to clean up as I go. My mom used to say it when I was younger, and now I totally get it. So if you guys can relate to that, please drop a like or comment down below and let me know that you feel the same way. Yes, I'm having a glass of wine, and I hope that you ladies find a way to relax. I am new to drinking wine, I'm not going to lie, but one of my clients bought it for me, and I think it is absolutely delicious. I will write the title of it down in the description if anyone is interested. I am making hot dogs for my girls tonight. This is a treat for them because they do not get to eat this very often because I'm just not a fan of hot dogs and I don't eat them myself, so I don't cook them that often. But they do not like the teriyaki chicken, like the flavor, which can be kind of strong. So I figured tonight I just give them a little treat, and that is the hot dogs. Now I'm just cleaning up. This is after we have all eaten dinner, and now I'm going to my second round of dishes as I try to get the kitchen cleaned back up before we all turn in for the night. If you are enjoying this video, please be sure to hit that like button. And if you are new to my channel, hi, my name is Cece, and on my channel here at Simply Clean, I like to focus on cleaning motivation, DIY projects, home decor and home decor hauls, and all of that good stuff and everything in between. If you're interested in any of those things, or if you're just enjoying the content that I'm putting out, please be sure to subscribe to your girl's channel. I am new here, and I would absolutely embrace and appreciate the support. And make sure to hit that notification bell so that you are notified each and every time that I upload and you do not miss a video. So please come on over and join me on this journey. Yes, I'm spraying a bug through my window. It was bothering me, even though it wasn't on the inside. I could not leave it there. So that is why I used my sink to spray the bug and ended up wiping and drying down the inside of my windowsill. As we are winding down and coming to the end of this video, again, I want to thank you all for joining me here on my channel and spending any amount of your time with me. It is greatly appreciated. If you really enjoyed this video, please sure to like it. If you are not subscribed and you made it this far, honey, child, you have enjoyed this video, so you might as well subscribe because you're going to want to see more of this content anyways. And I promise you, I'm going to keep it coming as consistent as possible. I will definitely have uploads once every week, maybe more. As I try to get my uploading schedule together, I will update each and every one of you guys once I have gotten that all figured out, but you will definitely see new videos every week here on my channel at Simply Clean. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that like button if you made it this far, hit the notification bell if you are a new subscriber, hit the notification bell if you're an old subscriber, and make sure you do not miss any of this good cleaning motivational content. And I will talk to you all in the next one. Always remember, you guys, cleanliness is next to godliness, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.